So we're recording. And here I am, I'm using the Surface, which I still do really like the camera, but I've been looking at apps and I found one that has made me smile. It is absolutely of no use whatsoever, but going to be kind of fun. It makes annoying sounds. I don't know why that's annoying, but I guess if you it's but and you can play them over on top of each other. I don't know yet if they're I don't know yet if you can hear me and the noises at the same time. And there's a loop function too, so you can just keep the noise going. You see, ultimately this is why we have technology, so that we can, make annoying sounds. Oh, well, they stopped and started again. No idea what it's doing.